Hello everyone and welcome to another educational video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Thanks a lot for clicking on my video today. I really appreciate your time and attention, and of course, if you like my videos, you like the tutorials, the information, the tips, the advice, and maybe some of the humor, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. It means a lot to me and it makes kittens happy. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate your support. Today, I just wanted to answer a question that I've been getting a lot recently and kind of demonstrate this for you. And that is, can you reclaim a screen without a pressure washer? And the answer is very simple. But before I divulge such information, shall we do a little bit of experimentation? All right, so let's check it out. A garden hose by itself, no matter what you do, is really not going to do a whole lot for reclaiming. Now, I might be able to sit here for a few minutes and point it on this little nose, and eventually get it to possibly start to get damaged. But the garden hose by itself simply doesn't have enough pressure to push the emulsion off of the mesh. Okay, so that won't work very well. Now, will it? As you can see, a garden hose without anything else isn't very much help at all. Let's try a garden hose with some emulsion remover. Okay, so what if we try to use a little bit of emulsion remover with the garden hose? Okay. Put some emulsion remover on both sides and everything. Kind of scrubbed it a little bit. Okay, you can see actually the emulsion is starting to break down. So now what if I use the garden hose? Okay, so here you can see that the emulsion is starting to break down and the garden hose is working a little bit. Okay, but to do the whole screen with this is going to take quite a long time. And there may be areas, like here or here, that are going to be very difficult. Alright, so, not bad, but it's going to take a lot of work and a lot of water to get this very clean, okay? So here, this is why the pressure washer becomes necessary, because it's going to make the job easier. While, granted, you might be able to sit here for a little while and do this, it's not working out that well. It's just going to take too long and use too much water. And it probably is not going to take all the staining out of the dye of the emulsion. Okay, so not that great, really. Okay? Alright, so that didn't work out so well either. So what if we try a pressure washer with emulsion remover? Let's check it out. Okay, emulsion remover. Good scrub. In some cases, it may behoove you to let it sit a minute. but this one should be pretty easy, I think. So, okay, I hope that, it's a little wet, hope that demonstrates why emulsion remover with the pressure washer is very necessary, okay? It makes easy work of the task at hand, okay? So, I hope this little demonstration explains or, exemplifies or demonstrates why emulsion remover is used with a pressure washer. You must use a pressure washer when you're stripping screens. Otherwise, you can have a lot of difficulties and extra hard work and or labor. Okay, now you can see that does the trick. Okay, so you have to understand that the pressure washer does more than half of the work. The emulsion remover assists in breaking up the emulsion and allowing the pressure washer to physically force it off of the mesh. Okay? So, that means that sometimes you might even be able to get away with reclaiming a screen without emulsion remover. What would happen if we tried the pressure washer all by itself? Okay, interesting, yes? The pressure washer all by itself is capable of actually removing a lot of emulsion, and in some cases, you might not even need any emulsion remover with easier screens. However, this would still take a lot of work and a lot of water. Alright, so that should prove my point. Yes, in fact, you do need a pressure washer in order to reclaim screens. While it may be possible to reclaim them sometimes without a pressure washer, there are going to be situations in which you will need the pressure washer. So when we're talking about commercial screen printing and such, then we will tell you that you need a pressure washer in order to reclaim strip emulsion from the screens and reuse them over and over, because it's just going to make your life a lot easier. Trying to reclaim screens without a pressure washer is going to be very difficult at best. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, like I said. And of course, if you need screen printing equipment or supplies, check out catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Thanks again for watching, and of course, we will see you next time.